What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This week was wild in the stock market. We saw all-time highs across major indexes as investors got excited about potential rate cuts next year and non-stop momentum for AI stocks. The biggest headline this week, AMD absolutely exploded, up more than 11% after announcing massive partnership with OpenAI. That deal puts them right in the center of the AI chip race, made AMD the top gainer in the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Not to be outdone, Nvidia jumped around 2% after reports came out that it's investing about $2 billion in Elon Musk's XAI startup. That just shows how deep the competition is getting into the AI space. Every major player wants a piece of the boom. Other tech names made moves too. Rocket Lab climbed almost 6% after securing a big multi-launch contract, and AST Space Mobile took off more than 11% thanks to the new partnership with Verizon. AI and space tech are clearly the hot zones right now. On the economic side, investors are still watching inflation and growth data closely. We're getting mixed signals. Prices are still sticky, but there's still growing optimism that the Fed might still cut rates in 2025. Overall, this week's market rally was led by AI and growth tech stocks, while energy and consumer names lagged behind. The hype around artificial intelligence keeps filling the market's momentum, and for now it looks unstoppable. That's our weekly recap. Next week we'll focus on Fed Chair Powell's comments. Now let's take a look at some key stocks and cryptos that you should be investing in the next 3 months for you to escape the check-to-check lifestyle and pay off your child support. Let's get straight into the video. Bitcoin's been having a phenomenal week. We see Bitcoin just touched all-time high about around 126,000, and now we have a little correction. We want to keep an eye on Bitcoin and still buy Bitcoin, as we got from here now. Bitcoin still get at least 30 to 40% gain from where price is at right now, and Bitcoin is just going to lead all-time highs as well as other cryptocurrencies and crypto stocks. You want to start off buying Bitcoin right now and make sure you pay attention to Bitcoin and the rest of 2025, and we're going to see huge spikes toward the upsides, especially with another Fed rate cut. Another one we have on the list is Ethereum. Ethereum is currently touching all-time highs as well, around about 4,400, and Ethereum previously hit an all-time high this year about around 4,900, and Ethereum was one of those that's just going to continue having these new spikes as we see institutions adapt more to Ethereum and having it as a treasury. This one is the second one behind Bitcoin that you should start building up a nice wallet in, and now you want to continue buying Ethereum as we're going to touch 9,000 in 2026. Price is still having potential to ×2 from where we at right now. Another stock you should keep an eye on in October is MSTR. MSTR is a company known for buying Bitcoin in its dips, and it's been buying Bitcoin since 2020, and this company is a phenomenal stock price right now at $330, and we've seen this company being down for the last 3 months. You want to buy the dip in MSTR as we got a chance to ×2. Price could touch $600 in 2026. Ooh, man, we got AMD, guys. I've been telling you about this one for the last 6 months, but AMD finally popped off. This is the most anticipated move that we have on the channel, so make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. But we finally broke above $230, and this happened within a week. Government is focused on during AI as well as CoreWeave, and we've seen that this stock just finally popped up after hitting about $149, and then that Monday it was at $169. We just went ahead and popped off. Next we have on the list is United Health. United Health has been having a horrible year. We've seen the stock is down 50% from this year, and we already having a nice recovery. The stock has had hit a bottom, and now price is looking towards pushing up towards the upside, and now Warren Buffett then poured $1 billion into this company, and the stock is having major partnerships with the government contracts. We're seeing the stock is starting to turn around, and we're getting into earnings season with United Health, and we're going to see that the stock is going to have a nice quarter. We're due to more health insurance contracts getting signed with customers, so we're going to get this stock back up towards 600 in 2026. You want to make sure you dollar cost average, and you want to start off buying in, secure your price in United Health before we run up towards $400. You know I like to give you all these pays early, so make sure you guys take a look at United Health. United Health has a price earnings about 30, so the stock is pretty much undervalued. And that's going to be it for this video. I gave you guys a sector in crypto, I gave you a sector in technology, AI, and I gave you guys a sector in healthcare. So make sure you guys leave a like, comment below, go to Sofa Academics to cop the latest Stocktober merch. Y'all see the merch, you know, we got the candlestick, the big bullish candlestick has been as the bullish month in October. Make sure y'all check them out at sofaacademics.com. Get your mommy, your granddaddy, your son, your daughter, everybody, some of the merch. You guys doing your due diligence this year, taking care of yourself. Other than that, love you guys. Yeah, see you guys in the next one.